Audi Q5 2013 2.0 TFSI. Today I will show you where each fluid goes in the engine bay. So here we have the engine oil cap. This engine does not have a traditional dipstick. The oil level is checked electronically through the dashboard. Right here is the oil filter housing. Next, we have the coolant expansion tank. It has minimum and maximum level markings. Here we have the windshield washer fluid reservoir. And here is the brake fluid reservoir. The correct fluid type is usually written on the cap, most commonly .4. The steering system is electric, so there is no power steering fluid. And that's it. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.